Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Burnt and XION. This is a possible airdrop, and maybe we could have an airdrop for early and VIP adopters on this blockchain layer 1. Like always in my videos, we are going to cover a little bit about the project so we understand exactly what we are applying to, and then we are going to cover the step-by-step on how you can get this airdrop. One thing guys, we are super early to this project, so the testnet is not fully public right now. So I'm going to tell you exactly how you can participate and maximize your chances for this airdrop. And maybe you don't know this project Burnt, but XION, this ecosystem you can see here, seems to be very well connected and expanding a lot. If you are interested in catching big airdrops before anyone else, you need to see this video. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well Burnt is building XION, and this is the only layer 1 blockchain specifically built for consumer adoption. Our mission is to rebuild broken systems of ownership and remove technical crypto barriers for consumers. We believe in making Web3 technology more accessible and inclusive for everyone, in order to onboard the biggest wave of consumer adoption to date. A couple of things to mention here guys is that Burnt is backed by Animoca, Multicoin, Circle and more VCs. I couldn't find exactly how much funding they have, but seems to be a well-funded project, and they already confirmed the mainnet launch on Q4 of this year. So you can see that from this date on June until the end of the year, we are going to have the public testnet, and then we are going to have the launch of this blockchain, which means that if we are participating on an airdrop, we know that by the end of the year with this launch, we probably are going to have that token. So the website is burnt.com, and Burnt is building and introducing XION. This is a blockchain built to make crypto human. You can see here that also mentioned the mainnet launching in Q4 2023. There are a couple of technical aspects that make this blockchain very interesting, like the modular approach, which is a new thing in crypto. Down here you can see many of the other partners besides the one that I already mentioned, like Huobi Capital and Hascrate Capital. And in Twitter they are already 137k followers, and you can see here information about the progress of this project. So they have a lot of community right now. The same happened in Discord. In Discord you can see that they have 138k followers, and humans are counted like 108. So this is a big amount, a big community. So here are the official links that I will share with you on the link tree. So you go directly to the official links. And right now guys, we can have and gain early access to the XION public testnet. So this is still a VIP pass. So we can be this early access pass. And I think people that get this early access pass and participate here on this public testnet is going to be the ones that could be rewarded with an airdrop. There has been some comments about that in the Discord channel too. So that is one of the reasons that we are doing this video, so you can participate and get this early access pass. And I will put also the link to this Twitter here. You have some information about the different things that are happening right now in the Burnt XION ecosystem. So you can see from auditors, coverage on media and press, investors. You can see this is a very big line of VCs investors. So I would like to know how much capital they found for this company. If you have that information, please put it in the comment sections, or any valuable information about XION, put it in the comment section. So now that we understand a little bit about what XION is, let's go to the step by step. The first one is you go to the link tree of Burnt and you follow them on Twitter and Discord. I will just put the link here for the official link tree, and here you have the Twitter, Discord, Telegram, the homepage and everything that you need. So go here to the link tree, and from there you go to the official links. The second step guys is that you can claim some OATs on Galax. So go to this link of the Burnt campaigns, and here you click here on XION Expedition, and you can see that you have 4 OATs to claim. One is to be a Twitter supporter, another Discord supporter. So basically if you follow them on Twitter and Discord, you are going to be able to claim this. If I remember correctly, you need to be connected into Optimism. And then you have here the early access pass and the XION first community town hall. So this early access pass is the one that we are talking about for the public testnet. So get into this campaign and get this NFT. In order to get this, it's not so difficult. Twitter follower, Discord follower, you need to tweet and quote 3 friends and like this tweet. And then you need to have these burned space users. You can click on the details to see exactly what you need to do in order to get this. If you have any doubt, you can go and ask in the Discord channel. After you get all that, you go to step 3, which is go and complete the task in the guild and claim your roles on Discord. This is going to be easy after you do step 2, because step 3 is basically you go here, you need to connect your wallet and join the guilds to get roles. So the first one is to be XION guild member. This is basically connecting your Ethereum wallet. Then hold the 2 NFTs that you already claimed before, Twitter supporter, Discord supporter, and then you need to have the early access pass and the early supporter role. After you get that, you can click here on roles, you go to the Discord and validate your roles. In the Discord channel, you have a specific channel here, which is guild roles. So you can join here and you will get the roles that you already are available to claim. Always remember to follow the announcement section and see all the updates on the project and get access to the testnet. That will be important for this possible airdrop. After you do step 2 and 3, then step 4 is check your pass to the XION early testnet access. Here I put the documentation, exactly what you need to understand about that. So check this document, understand the testnet, understand what is the early access pass, how to get it. I already mentioned a little bit about that, but check this information too. The step 5, guys, is something that I found in the homepage. Probably you don't need to do this, but just in case if you want to do it, you can put your email in the homepage to receive information about news of the project. So go to the link of XION Burnt, and from the top you start scrolling down, and here you can click and put your email address. Click this button, so you are going to be subscribed there and get some information. Maybe you get some valuable information and maybe that email serves for something. We don't know, but just in case you can do step 5 if you want. And they have a big ecosystem. Here is the Twitter link. This is not a step that you need to do, just the link for information of this ecosystem. So if you guys have information about how much funding they have, please put it in the comment section. I'm still trying to find out that information. So you can see it's very easy to get ahead of everyone in this airdrop. I think people that claim these OATs is going to be in a very good position. And this is 100% free. So remember that this is not going to cost you anything, only a little of gas fee on Optimism. But besides that, this is 100% free, and you need to stay and paying attention in the Discord and Twitter to get this access to the testnet. So after you get that, you're going to test the testnet. We probably are going to cover that in the future, but that will give you also the guarantee that if an airdrop happens, you're going to receive your tokens. Guys, if you liked this video, of course, go to my website, cryptocurrencystate.net. I have tons of videos about airdrops that are still active that you can see. Not only Zksync layer 0 and the most common, there are many other airdrops that are not many people review that have a lot of funding and a lot of possibility to make you earn a lot of money. And also for Zksync, I have these Zksync tips for a big airdrop, things that nobody is talking about on how you can increase your possibility to a big airdrop. So go here to my latest videos, go to the video section too. And if you want to make another step on your airdrop hunter path, you need to have my subscriptions, guys. One is to my private Discord, where we are super active there, managing high level of information. And the other is my app. I created a specific web app where you can see here in these 2 videos how my app works. And it's going to help you a lot to apply to all the airdrops that I cover. Also, you can put there your custom airdrops that you see from another sources, and then manage all the tasks, the things that you need to do, what you did, what you missed to do, what you need to do next. Everything you can manage on my app. So if you're using an Excel file to manage multiple airdrops, you are going to be completely lost after some time. My app is going to solve you that. Not only to organize well, but also to apply quickly to the airdrops. Well, that will be all for this video. Burnt airdrop XION blockchain. early and VIP access? We are going to find out. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.